Today we are going to be playing Druid. I say today, most of these videos were made in the same day, but you get what I mean. If you look, you'll see I'm a level 26 Druid, but levels only mean anything up to level 10, after which you start to earn golden versions of the cards. Golden cards are basically just foils. They're the shiny cards from your Pokemon, like the old shiny Charizard which everyone had. You know, we'll be playing Druid versus Druid, as mirrors are the way to do these things, to avoid cramming too much information into one video. Malfurion. He should really find a shirt. Elven Archer, 2 Raptors and a Corehound. Corehound is one of the deck's win conditions, like the big card to hit them with at the end, but it's terrible because it's 9/5. You should only find a hunter deck, and yeah, literally only a hunter deck should be playing. 5 health for 7, that is terrible. Odie, as you saw, was 6/7 for 6. 2 more health. You're literally, you're paying 1 stat for what? You're paying 1 stat for 1 extra cost and a lot less health. Not worth it. Mulligan that. Silverback Patriarch, also a terrible card. Stone Touch Ball, playing 1/1 charge. We could play the Elven Archer, but we don't want to yet. Drew a Healing Touch, never put this in your deck. It's not a good card. Playing Bloodfen Raptor with the coin, Tempo. Push the Tempo. Oh, he's buffing it. That is his, so his 2 drop was Mark of the Wild, or 1 drop. Interesting. Playing another Raptor and trading out. Beneficial for me, 2 cards for 1. He's using his hero power, which shapeshift. 1 attack and 1 attack this turn and 1 armor permanently. Until it's removed, as you saw there. And he also played the card Claw. Give your hero +2 attack this turn and +2 armor, so it's used again. And he used that to kill my Raptor without taking any damage. Not a bad play. Let's play the Patriarch. Not a great card, it's a worse version of a Warlock card for 2 more mana. He's using his hero power, hitting it, taking no damage to the armoured up, and slamming a ball into it. So he gained absolutely nothing. I will be playing that and playing. I won't be playing the Archer because I'm using a removal. Hitting him for 1 with Marrying Shapeshift and hitting him for 1 with Aircraft. Really terrible quality Silverback Patriarch. Shapeshift again, he really must have massive cards in his hand. I should be worried if it was a player. But as bots are terrible, I don't have to worry. Right, the 2/3, we are beginning. Well, here's where we play the next level strategies, as they say. Using the Elven Archer to hit it once. If this was a 3/2, then I would use my hero power. Hit it, but as it's not, I will hit that. No loss on my part. And I use my hero power to hit him for 1. Bulbafist Ogre, so he has 1 in his hand as well. Going to trade that just in case he uses, if he's smart and uses something to remove that and tries to kill my own Ogre. Then I'm going to hit him for 3. Okay, let's take back him being smart when he could have done that with his hero power. AI is stupid, but yeah. Been playing a Lord of the Arena. It's a very aggressive taunting card. It's got low health, but it's a 6/5 for 6. 2 less. See, that's also a 6 cost, but it doesn't have any benefits. So it's just you're paying 2 health for the taunt, basically. If it had the 2 health and the taunt, it would probably be a 7 cost. Smart plan is to trade out that and hit him for 2. Apply the 1/1 ball once again. Beast, only adding 100x. He's mirroring me literally. What is he doing? One, two, three, four, five. And do something cheeky. Elven Archer special ability. So that's 4, 3, 1. Healing touch on that. And we play that. Corehounds! Terrible card, don't ever play it. Unless you're good. Just kidding. Only play as a hammer. Using healing touch on himself, so I no longer have lethal. 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 instead of 18. Smart plan. People, you think I would want to trade out and get rid of the Corehound, but massive advantage. He has to trade into my Lord of the Arena. So I'm just going to put him down to 2 health and see what he does. Heal himself again. And play another Corehound. What not to do? Brought to you by the AI. Put Mark of Wild on that just for effect. So I can hit him with 2 big guys. And that is the Druid. It's one of the worst basic decks because it has very few Druid cards. You need to level up the Druid to level 10 to have and get a lot of cards to have most of the Druid cards. It's one of the harder classes to get into. But that is Druid.